Hey everybody, I'm down here at our bioswale research plot. We're taking stormwater from the street, running it through this swale full of sedges, forbs, and some woody edibles. We got some weed management to do, nothing too crazy. I just want to see all these cells full on an event like this. But all the plants seem to be doing really well. All the sedges are doing great, they're loving this. Anyways, a lot going great. Some things we need to adjust. Keep moving forward.